what instructions can you give a young project manager trying to get in the game?
Yeah, I want to give some tangible ones here because sometimes in developing a positive attitude, we can get caught up in the shiny object syndrome of being excited all the time. Like, oh, maintaining a positive attitude means you're excited all the time. You're just so happy for life. Well, that's true and it's not true. So what I realize is some of the tangible things that has helped me along the journey is being able to be surrounded around like-minded individuals who are either further than you are or where you're at or where you want to go in life, because it really truly helps. Also, I realize being able to incorporate things that gives me that happy space. We talked about it on an earlier live about that, the importance of that happy space. And that happy space could be, for me, is being able to walk on the treadmill or being able to meditate, or even in the kitchen, being able to cook me some Jamaican. Sometimes, even if you can't see it, being able to visual it. Like I'm in a heated debate and I'm thinking, will this even matter in 5 years? It probably won't. So why don't I just calm down and listen to what's going on?